Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another exciting car service video. In today's video, we are going to be doing the general servicing of this Audi A4. Now Audi 2 belongs to the German automotive giant Volkswagen and it's known for its iconic logo, the four rings. But Audi is also known for being one of the most affordable in the luxury automotive industry. Similarly, we at MotoFyx are the most iconic in the service and repair work industry and we'll make sure to give you the most bang for your bucks. In today's video, we are going to be documenting everything that gets done in our general servicing with regards to the genuine OEM parts that we use, the pricing of the genuine OEM parts that we use, and also the various inspections that we do on your car. With regards to the brake inspection, the underbody inspection, the electrical inspection, and many more. So watch the video till the end because towards the end, we are going to mention the total cost of the general servicing of this Audi A4. Let's get started with the video. Guys, about MotoFyx. MotoFyx is India's fastest growing network of new age car repair workshops that believes in a complete, transparent and a hassle-free relationship with our customers. We have over 100 workshops scattered all across the country in over 5 major cities and over 1.5 lakh happy customers. We are the best when it comes to service work and repair work on your car. Now guys, if you happen to visit any of our workshops, you will see that we use the latest in tools and technology and we have a team of highly skilled technicians taking care of your car at all times. Now guys, in our general servicing, we use only genuine OEM parts and we send you a real-time update of the work that gets done in our workshops. We also provide a free pickup and drop service. Now guys, let's talk about the parts that we're going to be using in the general servicing for this car. The first thing that we're going to be changing in this car is the oil. The oil that we're going to be using today is the 5W40 oil. Guys, remember you all can upgrade to a 0W40 fully synthetic oil, but in today's video we are going to be using the 5W40 fully synthetic oil that is recommended for this Audi. Now, we have 2 cans out here and 4.6 liters is going to go inside the engine bay. Now every time we change the oil, we have to change the oil filter, and so we are going to be replacing the oil filter for this car. This is the Volkswagen Audi oil filter that is recommended for this car and this costs 975 rupees. The next thing that we are going to be checking and replacing if required is the air filter. Now the air filter is going to be examined by a technician and is going to be serviced if possible, otherwise it's going to be replaced with the approval of the owner. The cost of the air filter for this Audi A4 is 1250 rupees. The next thing that we're going to be checking and examining before we replace on this car is the AC filter. This is the Volkswagen Audi air filter that is recommended for this Audi A4 and this costs 1550 rupees. Now guys, the AC filter and air filter does not get changed in our general servicing. If the condition is bad and requires replacement, our technicians will inform the owner. Once further approval is given, we will change the air filter and AC filter. This comes at an additional cost. We are also going to be topping up the coolant on this car. So the coolant that is required for the Audi is this particular coolant that we are going to be using and this costs 500 rupees. So we are going to be looking at the minimum and the maximum level and topping up the coolant to the maximum level on this car. That is also done in our general servicing. Another thing that's also done in our general servicing is the top up of the .4 brake fluid. The .4 is recommended for this Audi A4. So we're going to be topping this up to the maximum level and the cost of this is 131 rupees. Remember guys, you can also upgrade your oil to a higher quality oil, a higher grade oil, which will boost the performance of your engine, but that will also increase the cost over the general servicing cost. Now guys, if you're stumbling upon our video for the first time, consider subscribing because we make a ton of automobile related content with regards to the servicing videos like the one that you're seeing right now and also second-hand car videos where you can get a second-hand car with MotoFyx Advantage, a 1-year unconditional MotoFyx Advantage warranty on your second-hand car. Also guys, we make videos on repair works, so make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and also hit that like button towards the end of the video if you enjoy this video. Also guys, remember you can follow us on Instagram where you'll get daily updates of the work that gets done in our workshops. Let's get started with the video. Now guys, in the first step, we are going to be protecting your car where we are going to be putting a fender protection and a seat protection. So your car is protected at all times when our technicians are working on your car. Now before we start with the video guys, I'd like to introduce our head technicians that are going to be working on this Audi A4 today. We have Mr. Daulat Bhai, Abu and Imtiaz, our head technicians who are going to be servicing today's car. So guys, we want to ensure that your car is protected at all times when we are servicing your car. Hence we put a fender protection and a seat protection on the driver's seat. So your car is protected at all times when our technicians are working on your car. So guys, in the next step, we're going to be lifting the car up on the hydraulic ramp and we're going to be checking the bearings and the rack plate. We're also going to be doing the underbody inspection.
स्टीयरिंग का प्ले का इंस्पेक्शन करेंगे और फ्रंट के दोनों और व्हील बेरिंग में आवाज़ वगैरह है कि नहीं, प्ले है कि वो देखने का इंस्पेक्शन होएगा। चारों टाइम में इंस्पेक्ट करने वाले कुछ आवाज़ वगैरह है कि नहीं, बेरिंग वगैरह में प्ले वगैरह कुछ है कि नहीं।
Now guys, in the next step, we are going to be demounting all 4 tires and doing the brake inspection. We're going to be checking both the front and the back disc brakes and the brake pads.
ये ब्रेक पैड है, इसका गुड कंडीशन है, इसमें मतलब इसको रिप्लेस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और डिस्क का कंडीशन भी अच्छा है, इस पर कोई मेजर लाइनिंग नहीं है। अभी इसका ब्रेक सर्विस कर देंगे, पॉलिशिंग करेंगे और पॉलिशिंग करके ना इसको फिक्स कर देंगे वापस। अभी इसका ब्रेक का पॉलिश होएगा और इसका सर्विस होके इसको फिक्स करेंगे, फिर पीछे जाएंगे। ठीक है, रियल टाइम अपडेट हम ये कस्टमर को सेंड करेंगे। ब्रेक इसका पूरा गया है, ब्रेक पैड, और डिस्क भी पूरा लाइनिंग आ गया है, कॉलर आ गया एक्चुअली। और इसको कस्टमर को हम लोग इसका कोटेशन भेजेंगे और फिर उससे अप्रूवल आएगा तो उसके बाद इसका काम स्टार्ट करेंगे।
So we'll be proceeding with the underbody inspection of the vehicle. We'll be inspecting the lower arm for any rubber bush cut. We'll be inspecting the steering rack for any play on the part or tie rod end. Here we'll be inspecting the suspension. Any leakage from the suspension or buffer if it's cut. Upper control arm will also be inspected. Apart from that, rear end we'll be inspecting the exhaust pipe. We'll also be checking the catalytic converter for any underbody impacts. We'll be inspecting the rear shock ups for any leakages as well. As we can observe, the rear shock up is weak, causing an impact to the buffer. The buffer is completely cut, so we need to replace the shock up. We'll be providing the estimate to the customer and further taking the approval to replacement of the parts. As it's clearly visible, the front buffer of the shock up is cut, causing an oil leakage on the front suspension. We'll have to replace the front suspension, further providing an estimate for the suspension mounts and other parts to the customer and taking approval for the same.
In the next step, we're going to be mounting all 4 tires, but before we do that, we're going to be draining the old oil since the sump pit is below. After that, we're going to be putting the car down and we're going to be putting in the new oil. When we do the oil change, we also have to do the oil filter change, so that is also going to be done. So now our technician is going to be removing the old oil. After we drain the old oil, we'll be changing the oil filter and putting in the new oil after we lower the car down. A real-time update of this is also shared with the owner. Now that we have drained out all the oil, we're going to be putting back the oil drain plug, and after we do that, we're going to lower the car down and change the oil filter. Now that we have drained all the oil and we've done all the underbody inspection, we're going to be mounting all 4 tires back on, lowering the car down, changing the oil filter and putting in the new oil. Next, we're going to be changing the oil filter. So we're going to be removing the old oil filter and checking its condition. We are going to be comparing it with the new oil filter, and a real-time update of this is also shared with the owner. So this is the condition of the new oil filter as compared to the old one. A real-time update of this is also shared with the owner before we replace it. After we replace this, we will start putting in the new 5W40 fully synthetic oil. So guys, when we change the oil filter, we have to change the O-ring of the oil filter as well. So our technician is now going to be changing the removing the old oil filter and replacing it with the new one. And having done that, we are going to be changing the O-ring as well. This needs to be done every time the oil is changed as well. Now our technician is going to install the new oil filter in, and after doing that, we are going to be filling the car with the new 5W40 fully synthetic oil. So in the next step, we are going to be filling in the new oil. We are going to be putting the 5W40 fully synthetic oil. Guys, remember, you all can upgrade to a 0W40 fully synthetic oil. That will boost the performance of your engine. But in today's video, we are going to be putting the 5W fully synthetic oil, which is recommended by Audi for this Audi A4. In this car today, full 4.6 liters of oil is going to go in. So the next step, we are going to be topping up the coolant. So guys, if you can see here, it's below the minimum level. So we're going to be topping it up all the way to the maximum level. After doing this, we are going to go to the next step, which is topping up the brake fluid. Next, we are going to be topping up the brake fluid. This is a .4 brake fluid that is recommended for this Audi A4. A real-time update of this is also shared. We are going to be checking the minimum level and the maximum level and making sure that this is topped up to the maximum level. This is also part of our general servicing. So in the next step, we are going to be checking the air filter. So if the air filter condition is good, we're now going to be replacing it. So this is the condition of the air filter, and according to our technicians,
एयर फिल्टर का कंडीशन है ना ओके है, इसको अपन सर्विस करके और वापस से डाल सकते हैं, ठीक है।
having serviced the air filter, we're going to reinstall it back again, and we're going to be moving on to the AC filter. The next step, our technician is going to be checking the health of the AC filter. After removing it, he's going to examine if it can be salvaged and if it needs servicing or we have to replace it. Now guys, this is the condition of the present AC filter as compared to the new one. According to our technician, this has to be replaced, it cannot be serviced. So a real-time update of this is going to be shared, and once the approval comes from the owner side, you are going to replace it. This is at an additional cost over the general servicing. So now we are going to be checking the health of the battery. We're going to start the car up and checking how much power is drawn. We're also going to be putting on the headlamps and checking. This process is going to be done multiple times, and we're going to be reading the multimeter to understand the health of the battery.
So further we'll be checking with the tire, we'll be inspecting the sidewalls for any crack, we'll be checking with the tire manufacturing year, we'll be inspecting the tire tread grip. So as of now we can inspect the tread grip is around 6 mm. The tire life is around 1.5 mm. So if here we observe the mark, the tire depletes to that marked position, we have to replace the tire.
Now that we are done filling in the new oil and replacing the oil filter, we're going to be resetting the service due for this Audi A4. We're also going to be checking with the OBD scanner for any warning lights that are coming on the dash and the engine inspection. Having checked the battery, we're going to go to the next step, which is we're going to be checking all the electronics of the car. We're going to be checking the headlamps, the high beam, the fog lamps, the side indicators, the horn, the windshield wipers, the reverse lights, everything is going to be examined. Then we're going to be examining the interiors as well. We're going to be checking the power windows, the FM, all of this is going to be checked in our electrical inspection, and then after that we're going to be moving the car to the washing bay and washing the car. Now guys, if you watched the video all the way clear, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a lot of more automobile content. And remember guys, you can also follow us on Instagram, where you'll get daily updates of the work that gets done in our workshops.
Headlight, fog light, hazard, upper dipper, horn, hyper, brake mark, reverse, all okay.
In the interior electrical inspection, we are going to be examining the radio to make sure that that is functioning. After that, we shall go and examine the AC, now that we have changed the AC filter. Next, we are going to be checking all power windows. We are also going to be checking the cabin lights to ensure all cabin lights are working. The automatic ORVM and the sun and moon roof. Since this car has a sun and moon roof, we are going to be examining the electricals of the sun and moon roof to make sure that it is working smoothly. The ORVMs are going to be closed since the electrical folding. Since the mirrors adjust, we are going to be checking the electronic adjustment of the mirrors as well. All this is checked in our electrical inspection. Now guys, we have come to the last step of the general servicing. We are going to be washing the car. We are going to be doing an external foam washing of the car and a tire polishing and an engine bay washing and polishing. Then we are going to go to the interiors and do a vacuuming and a dashboard polishing. All this is covered in our general servicing, after which the car will be ready to head back to the owner. Now guys, with the washing completed, the general servicing for this Audi A4 is complete. The total cost of the general servicing of this car is 11,999 rupees only, and in that we have used the 5W40 fully synthetic oil. Now guys, remember, you all can upgrade to the 0W40 fully synthetic oil. That will boost the performance of your engine, but that will increase the cost of the general servicing. The recommended time for the general servicing for this Audi A4 is 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Now guys, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a lot of more automobile content. And remember guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram to get daily updates of work that gets done in our workshops. Anyway guys, that wraps up this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe, cheers.